Well, it is a new year, but many people around Western Oregon are experiencing an old problem, not being able to find a doctor. Thank you for joining us. I'm Matt Templeman. Renee remains away tonight. Last year's closure of Oregon Medical Group clinics and the departure of many doctors has left Lane County residents wondering what to do next. And reporter Madison Yeesh joining me now in the studio with a look into how this trend has impacted people living in Lane County. Madison.
Oregon Medical Group, a backbone of Lane County for more than 30 years, was purchased by Optum, a branch of the United Healthcare Company, during the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the acquisition, the group has lost 32 doctors, leaving remaining staff overwhelmed and patients without care even a year later. Corporate healthcare ownership is transforming local clinics across the country. Here in Lane County, patients and providers alike are struggling to adapt. As we have previously reported, letters from Optum informed former OMG patients their doctors were leaving and no replacements were available. Luann Sargent from Blue River says she's been on the waiting list for a primary care physician with both Peace Health and Oregon Medical Group for over a year. Sargent says she's concerned that we have a system prioritizing profits over patients.
If so many organizations are being overtaken by huge corporations that, from my simple understanding is that they're out there to make a buck, and if they're a public company, they've got to please the shareholders.
As we've previously reported, Optum says they're working to expand services and create new solutions like virtual health care, but patients across Lane County are still struggling to get the care they need. Experts say real change will require significantly more supports for local health care supporters. Reporting in studio, I'm Madison Yeesh.